Hi, my friends. It's so good to have you here again. Thank you so much for all you do. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for also attracting new subscribers to my channel. You guys are simply the best. I really treasure you so much. And don't forget, we're here to give you the latest, the hottest, most reliable and authentic news as it drops by the hour. And right here and now, we have another one from Nigeria. And don't forget that President Goodluck Jonathan, his wife, and former Petroleum Resource Minister Diziani Alison have been asked to be investigated, and their bank's accounts and their transaction to be investigated. But details of that news we didn't get in time, but now we have it. And the United States court has granted Nigeria permission to investigate their bank transaction. Well, this is really going to be tough. But before we bring you details of this news, guys, if you have not subscribe, please endeavor to hit the subscribe button right away. And also, if you haven't hit the notification bell, please do that immediately. And also, please give this video a thumbs up. We really need your thumbs up. Please hit the video with a thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Yes, let us go details into the news. A United States court has granted Nigeria permission to investigate bank transactions involving former President Goodluck Jonathan, his wife, Patience, and former Petroleum Resource Minister Diziani Alison Madueke, and other top government officials. These politicians were in office when the country signed a contract with a company, Process and Industrial Development Limited, which has become a source of dispute. The New York Federal Court's ruling followed the federal government's application to it for official access to the bank's record on the former president and his erstwhile petroleum minister. There's a good reason to believe that ministers at the highest levels were involved in a corrupt scheme to steal money from Nigeria. Attorney General Abubakar Malami stated in his application to the court submitted on March 24th, Nigeria's chances of annulling the giant's penalty lie on proving the 2010 gas supply arrangement was a sham designed to fail by P&ID and government officials. The saga became a full-blown crisis for Nigeria last August when UK judge ruled that P&ID could enforce an arbitration tribunal 2017 ruling, now totaling $9.6 billion, including interest, which found the country breached the agreement. The application were made by Alexander Pensu, a partner of Mr. Sealing, and Finn LLP, attorney for the Federal Republic of Nigeria and Malami. Details of the information being sought by the federal government are meant for use in ongoing foreign criminal investigations and criminal proceedings in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The Nigeria proceedings, the filing dated March 25th, reads in part: the requested discovery will assist applicants in Nigeria proceedings to investigate and prosecute individuals and entities that participated in and were enriched by P&ID's fraudulent scheme, it added. In the testimony of the subpoena filing addressed to Citibank, for instance, the applicant sought the intervention of the bank or any of its officers to testify in the case. The politically exposed persons named in the subpoena are former oil minister late Rewanu Lukman, Dr. Jonathan and his wife Patience, and Alison Madueke. Others named in the subpoena are Taufik Tijani, Grace Tiger, Muhammad Kuchazi, one Michael Quinn, who died in 2014, James Nolan, Adam Quinn, and Ibrahim Diko. Former Attorney General and Minister of Justice Mohammed Bello Adoki, in its report last month, Bloomberg quoted a spokesman for P&ID as denying wrongdoing, adding that Malami has manufactured a claim of fraud and bribery to evade the state's legal obligation to pay what amounts to about 30% of the country's foreign reserves. Some of the banks declined to comment on the cases. Dr. Jonathan said that he has no account or property abroad. Yes, that was the report he gave when it came out that his account is being investigated abroad, and he said he has no account abroad. But we'll see to that as the probe continues. He has no account in the United States of America and encourages U.S. authorities to cooperate fully with the federal government of Nigeria. Soboyna, he said in a statement by his spokesman Ikechukwu Eze. Yes, that was his own part. He said he has no account abroad, and the United States should encourage the U.S. authority. They should be encourage them to, really check very well to be sure that it really has no account in that state. So that's it, guys. Please endeavor to drop your comment and tell us what you think about this probe, about this investigation. Do you think this is right, or do you think it's coming at the wrong time? Please help us drop it in the comment section. Let us interact and know exactly what can be done next. Yes, thank you guys for staying tuned, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and also don't forget to help us share this video and give us a thumbs up. You guys are simply the best. Do have a pleasant day. Bye.